Hey guys, Dave Nicholson here, and in this very quick video I'm going to show you how Clickbank Bonus Automator can automate your bonus delivery for you. Okay, this is something that we actually created out of necessity as we were sick and tired of manually delivering bonuses when promoting products listed on Clickbank. So we created this software in order to automate the entire process. Okay, so here's how it works. As you can see, I'm at the bonus delivery page, and all the customer needs to do is add in their own Clickbank payment receipt and hit submit. Okay, it's that simple. The system will then check and go and see if they have bought via our Clickbank affiliate account, and if they have, it will then send them to the thank you page. Okay, so I'm going to show you it working right now. So I'm going to put in a valid Clickbank payment receipt. Okay, so that's a valid Clickbank payment receipt, and I'm going to hit enter to submit that, and you'll see there you go, it's automatically sent them to the thank you page. So this will be the thank you page for your particular bonus. Okay, and this is just like an example page I've put up here. Okay, so there you go, so that one works fine. Okay, so they put in the correct payment receipt and it works fine, but let me show you if they put in the wrong receipt. Okay, so I'm just going to put in a random number here. Okay, so obviously that is not a valid payment receipt. So let's just see if they manage to get access. Okay, there you go, it's pulling up an error. Okay, so it says sorry, that Clickbank order number does not appear to be correct. Okay, so there they go. So they've tried to put in an incorrect payment receipt. Doesn't work. It will only work with the correct payment receipt or for the particular product that you decide to promote. To set everything up, it takes literally just a few minutes, and once done, you can automate your bonus delivery without lifting a finger at all. We also provide you with everything that you need, including bonus delivery templates, and you can be up and running in under 10 minutes. So there you have it, guys. Check it out and grab Clickbank Bonus Automator today and start automating your bonus delivery when promoting Clickbank products.